Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a Grove collaborative haul. So I've got my monthly order here. I probably order from them about every other month, and really just this month I'm restocking on a few items. So if you don't know what Grove collaborative is, they have cleaning products for you that you can get at a discounted price. You pay an annual membership, and with that annual membership, you get the discounted products, you get free shipping, and then you get some free items throughout the year as well. So I've really enjoyed it. I've been a member with them since 2018, I think. So it's been about 3 years now, and I've really enjoyed it. So I figured I would go ahead and do a haul with you guys and see if you guys are interested in it as well. So let's jump into what I got. If at any point during this video you are enjoying it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below, as it really helps to support my channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know to recommend this video for others as well. So in this order, I did get a little ad for one of their products that they've just released. It looks like it is a deodorant, and they're really advertising that it's an aluminum-free formula. It includes a list of the ingredients that it uses and then a list of ingredients that they do not use. And that's really kind of what I like about Grove, is that they're very selective on the products that they offer. They really do look at the ingredient list and try to make it like a clean product. So that's kind of one perk that I like about it. So yeah, I'll have to look into this and see if it's something that I want to try. First thing in here I got two of, and that is these cotton swabs. So these are cotton swabs made with organic cotton. I just really like the ones that they have. I feel like it's reasonably priced and I needed to stock up, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 packs. This will probably last us months and I won't have to order again for a while, but you can get all kinds of home good items from them. It's not just cleaning products. So we often get bar soap from them as well, because I really like the bar soap too. Speaking of soap, I do have a gel hand wash refill. So this is from the Method brand. We use Method for our hand soaps and our dish soaps. And I think we also have some laundry detergent from them as well. But I do have just a bottle of their hand soap in our bathroom. So I went ahead and grabbed the refill pack. I like the refill packs because then I'm not buying new bottles, like actual bottles. I can just go ahead and refill, and I'll probably get, I think it's 2.5, yeah, it says 2.8 refills out of this pack right here. I mean, it really just helps to cut down on plastic, and it's, I don't know about you guys, but growing up, my mom would always refill our soaps with a big bulk version, so it just feels normal to me to go ahead and do this. Speaking of laundry, so I did try this a couple of months ago and I really liked it and ran out, so I decided to go ahead and purchase another one. It is by 7th Generation and it's called Easy Dose Laundry Detergent, and it is in the scent Tropical Grove. So what I really like about this is that it has a mechanism up here in the nozzle. So if you just squeeze the bottle upside down, it only squeezes out a certain amount. It doesn't just continually flow out. So it's really easy just to go ahead and dump the bottle upside down, squeeze it until it stops running out, and then that's the amount of detergent that you need for your load of laundry. So I really like that. It makes putting detergent in the washing machine super easy, which is why I like it. And I liked the scent as well. So I do like to play around with my laundry detergent. So like I said, I had a Method one. I've got another one that's by another company that's a powder laundry detergent. So I swap them out quite frequently, just trying to figure out which one I like best. But I am liking this one. I did order it again, so that's a good sign. Got 2 more things in here. The next one is a pack of sponges. So there's just 2 sponges in here, and it's made out of walnut and cellulose, so normal sponge material. We really like these. They're good sponges. We just use them for cleaning and whatever. So I figured I'd just go ahead and grab a pack of these. The next thing that I have in here is a glass spray bottle, and I actually got this for free. So like I was saying, throughout the year with your membership, you do get freebies every now and then. And because I had placed my order and it met a certain price point, I did get a freebie, and I decided to go ahead and pick this glass spray bottle. We do actually have a couple of these already throughout the house, so I knew that I would go ahead and like it. I really like the idea of having a glass spray bottle, and then what I like to do is make different at-home cleaning concoctions, really. I'll mix water and vinegar and maybe a little bit of essential oil, and then I can just use that as a normal cleaning spray, or I've made one for my yoga mat before. And then there's a couple of other ones I've made as well. So you can easily make your own cleaning sprays at home and just use a refillable glass bottle. So I'm excited just to have another one of these. I'll probably go ahead and just put this underneath the sink until we need a new cleaning solution for something. So So that is everything for this order. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Grove Collaborative is a membership site, so you have to be a member in order to purchase from them. It is an annual subscription. I think it's about $20, maybe $25. Again, you get free shipping. All of these items were at like a discounted price compared to like if you were to go to your Walmart or Target and purchase them. And you get these freebies throughout the year. And with your very first order, you actually get like a ton of freebies. It's like an entire order essentially. Like you get like so many cleaning products free. It's insane. So if you want that free gift for the very first time, you can go ahead to my link down in the description and sign up through that. And then if you, for whatever reason, you want to cancel, you can go ahead and cancel right away as well. So you can get that free gift, place your first order, and then if you decide you don't like it, you don't have to continue with it. So that is my entire Grove Collaborative haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Up at the top, you can see my latest video, and I'll make sure to leave a link down here at the bottom to another one of my videos. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.